Alright, my son is back with the Prius from his Thanksgiving break, and I finally get to do a modification to this that I've been waiting to do for a while. Well, I guess it could have been much worse, you know. He is a college student. But it still doesn't look that great. But I got the fix for that today. Oh man, look at that. Alright, so we're going to take a look and unbox his new all-weather floor mats. And these 3D floor mats, I got a set of my Sienna. They're great for camping. They're really durable. And they really form to your car. And I'll show you what I mean by that. And if you watch my previous video, you know that I have a set of these in my Sienna camper already. Alright. So, look at that. This is the front. And one of the things I really like about the 3D is it's got this really rough back, so it doesn't slide around. So it really stays in position. It's got the mounting points in addition to that, of course. But you know, this rough back is really key. I mean, you could see they put a little piece of felt there that really sticks onto your thing, and the contour is great. Now, this is not like the old rubber ones that bend a lot. You know, if you use like a WeatherTech and you know there's a lip on it that actually bends in time, it starts looking ugly when it gets a little old. So here it looks like this is the passenger one. Unlike my Sienna, he gets rear passenger seats too. It's got that lump for the middle, so that's going to be fantastic. It looks like it comes with some pegs for those mounting points. So let's give it a shot. Alright, you're just going to have to excuse the mess that's in the car, but we're going to focus on the mats. And you can see he's got a bunch of junk. So let's get rid of that old one. And of course, I could vacuum this, but I'm not going to because it's his car. Well, it's my car, but he uses it. He should do the vacuuming, not me. Take that out. But you could see, fits in real easy. And it looks a ton better. Let me zoom out. And that is so much better than his old one. And there's a lip on it. So it forms perfectly to the shape of the car. You can see there's even the contour in the back. That's perfect. It's going to work out great. Let's go to the driver's side. Alright, so the driver's side is even a bigger disaster than the passenger. So let's... Now the driver's got these pegs right here. We're going to twist that to take it out. Get rid of that disaster. Okay, you can see they got the pegs just like the factory mats. So I know it's going to fit in really well. So my factory mats has this little twisty thing. So we're going to twist that on. Alright, so let's take a look at the contours. Look at that. Everything fits really, really well. The contours look fantastic. Fits perfectly. And it's got the factory pegs that I could use too. So that's perfect. They come with these grommet covers for the mats that I didn't have on my stock ones. But you just basically put it right over that. This one. Right over that. It's got a little groove so it fits in that little peg that you could turn. That's why they fit in. Very nice. Alright, let's look in the back seat. It's really no better than the front. The back seat has these two separate mats from the factory. Let's take that out. Take this one out. And the nice thing about the new one is that it's all going to be one piece, so it's going to protect and cover up this hump too. Alright, slide in the new mats. Wow, that's so much better coverage than the old one. All right, let's take a closer look. Look at the contours. It goes around the seat belt and the chairs. It goes up and around that hump. So the whole hump is protected now. Unlike my previous mats, which was just two separate ones. You can see that is so much better than my old ones. Alright, these are brand new, and I can't show you how well they clean up because they're brand new, but I do have some old sets that I've never cleaned since the first day I got them, and those are in my Sienna. So let's take a look at how well those have held up. It's been a few months and I've never cleaned it once, so I'm going to clean it today and show you how well these clean up. Okay, so these are my Siennas, and you can see, I mean, even though they're messy, they're dirty, they still hold up really well. But I'm going to clean it anyway and show you how easy it is to clean these things. I'm going to remove it, and I'm going to just keep all the junk in it. Alright, we're going to come here. I'm just going to shake it off. And all the gunk is gone, but see, there's still dirt. That's okay. Alright, that's it. Look, it holds the water, it wicks it really well. It's not that wet. I'm just going to dry it off with an old rag. And look at that. Let's put it back in. Alright, just like that, I got new looking mats again. Pretty cool. My son's going to love it in the Prius.